Everyone's been there. Your car won't start, or maybe your headlights or radio are acting up. For most people, automotive electrical repair is a mystery wrapped in frustration. But let's unravel it step by step. The first step in diagnosing any electrical issue is understanding your car's wiring schematic. Most modern vehicles have a jungle of wires, so get the manual for your car. It's like the Rosetta Stone for your vehicle's electrical system. Common pain point, the battery. If your car won't start, most people think it's dead, but is it really? Use a multimeter to test the voltage. Anything below 12.4 volts, and you're looking at a dead or dying battery. Still not the battery? Check the alternator. It's the unsung hero of your car's electrical system. A failing alternator won't charge your battery while driving. Pro tip: use your multimeter again and test for 13.5 to 14.5 volts while it's running. Fuses are another common culprit. A blown fuse can knock out lights, power seats, or even your stereo. Open the fuse box and use a test light or pull fuses one by one to find the blown one. Simple, yet so often overlooked. The wiring itself can be a nightmare. Corroded wires, broken connections, or improper grounding are sneaky problems. Start with the most visible wires near connections, battery terminals, and engine grounds. The corrosion is sometimes small but deadly. Another pain point, tracing shorts. Few things are as frustrating. Use a method electricians call the divide and conquer technique. Isolate circuits, test small sections at a time. Yes, it's tedious, but highly effective. If you're dealing with dim or flickering lights, consider your grounds. A poor ground connection creates resistance, which robs your lights of brightness. Sand down the connection points for a solid metal-to-metal contact. It's like giving your car a fresh breath of life. Diagnostic tools are your best friends. An OBD-II scanner can reveal trouble codes in seconds. It's like having an interpreter for your car's brain. This $30 to $100 tool can save you hundreds in repair costs. Pro tip: always remember to disconnect the battery before working on any wires or components. You'd hate to fry something. Also, never use pliers on electrical connections. Use proper crimping tools for secure fixes. If your issue is complex, like a bad ECU, you may need to bring in the pros. But the good news? The more you learn, the fewer trips to the mechanic. Some repairs might be over your head, but many are surprisingly DIY-friendly. Automotive electrical repair isn't magic, it's methodical. And if you're in Portland like me, and the rain decides to join in, a garage or covered spot makes this journey much easier. Break it down step by step, and it's not so overwhelming.